Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone to our latest video tutorial. In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how to extract the Cambridge LMS data so that you can prepare for the LMS score for your students. Alright, so the first step is to go to the Cambridge website and log in. Alright, once you log in, you'll get the following screen. Now scroll down to your section. Now some of you might have one section where you put both books, listening, speaking, reading, and writing, and some teachers put a section for each book. For example, listening, speaking book and reading and writing book. No problem, I'll show you both ways. Alright, so what you need to do is you go to your section that you created on Cambridge, click on class data, and then you need to go here on the top right corner under actions, click create report. Right, under report type, select class summary from the beginning and click submit. Alright, you will notice a zip file will be downloaded as shown here. And this is what you will find. Now some of you will find 4 spreadsheets, some of you will find 2. So if you split the course to 2, listen, speaking, reading, and writing, then you only find 2 spreadsheets. But if you combine them both, you'll find the 4. So what we're going to use is, you're going to use the second one. As you notice over here, my section is section 6, listening, speaking, digital workbook with video summary. So this spreadsheet and this spreadsheet is what we're looking for. So again, like I said, if you had only one section, one book per section, then you can find only 2 spreadsheets. You take the second one. Make sure you select digital workbook with video summary. So you click on that and open it. Alright, so you will get the following spreadsheet. If you notice, this is the information you're going to get. But what's very important is, for example, we have 96 activities in the course book, but what we're looking at very importantly is this one, this column here called number of activities completed. This is what we want to focus on because this is the column that we're going to use to calculate the Cambridge LMS score. Not the percentage, not the best attempt, but the number of activities completed. So for example, we have 86 activities that were assigned and the students did the amount. And remember, we talked about in 80 to 100 will be a score of 5, 40 to 60, a 4, and so on. And I will talk about that shortly. But this is the score that we need to input into a spreadsheet to calculate the LMS score. Okay, so this column, number of activities completed. Alright, we'll do that also the same for the other. So let's just say that was for the listening and speaking, and you do the same thing for reading and writing. Alright, so this is how you extract the data from the Cambridge LMS website. Okay, thank you.